Hi, it's Eva here from Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian grey. Let's begin our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we will see your premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights ensuring increased road presence. Cascading down the side, the sporty and stylish dynamics are continued as it sits on these 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. Venturing to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, whether it be for a canine companion, a set of golf clubs, or even a week's worth of luggage. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the quality and style of their cloud ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. Glimpsing into your cockpit will reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. Taking a closer look at the view that will greet the driver, which will be your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your sat nav and your speed. Advancing over to the centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your reversing camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. Advancing down now, you'll be able to access your climate control systems from another interactive touchscreen, as well as your heated seat functions. You will further be able to access further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems from within this screen. Lastly, to finalise our journey, we will look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross the occupants and enhance the headlining in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thanks for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.